Hi everyone, in this video I just want to show you how you can spot trade easily using our trading indicator, and let us just discuss this simple as it is by first starting by understanding which market is dominant, which direction is dominant. So we will have to squeeze our candles a little bit again. So obviously we see now what is dominant is a downtrend. Okay, then we go back to the structure in real value of the market. What do we then see currently? What do we see currently? We see that our indicator is marking a no trade zone from the previous entry that it had given in terms of the arrows. Why it gave this entry, and why am I confirming it after all these other arrows that you see here? Ladies and gentlemen, please remember that we said on the first video, I think it was on the second or first, I don't remember, that when the market is trading at a certain direction, it will always issue a reversal. And when it comes back into the true direction, or when it changes direction, even just right here, it will give you, for instance, it will go down, make a low. If it stays, let's say after giving you this and it stays above this section for more than 5 hours, you have a right to call that section a low, and your trading indicator will mark these 2 points, and anything in between these 2 points will be a no trading zone. So now this market, according to these arrows, indeed it did close below this trading the no trading zone box that was once here, and if you see, if the market did indeed go down, after closing this section, right? You see it did go down. However, according to this strategy and according to this indicator, you are not allowed to take this entry because this is the first leg. You don't know if the market is just reversing this major trend that it has started over the last week. You honestly don't know. So the best option is let the market give you another low, wait for it to go away for another 5 hours, then you mark that as a low. So when it comes back to break that, you execute clean, and when you execute clean, this is a minimum of 20 pips. If this is a minimum of 20 pips, this is your TP1 clean. Again, what are you waiting for? According to the indicator, for the market to come and close above this alert line, then you study according to your analysis, look at the previous low, how soon they are. That's why for me, I say I will prefer for this market to come first and close below this week before I continue with a sell of this or another entry in terms of this this trade that you took here. Remember again, when we take an entry, we must always use a 30 pip stop loss. So your entry was here, your 30 pips according to this pair. This is too much. Let me base it on structure, because now, structural is I can put 20, 23 according to this end, but the true stop loss is actually 30 pips. Is actually right here. So this gives you a room enough for a market to make any changes without you panicking in any way. Then when market gives you another clean re-entry, remember you already took your TP1 here of 20 pips, and right now you are on negative in terms of this trade moves right here. When will I execute, when will I exit this trade without maybe hitting my stop loss? When 2 candles closes above the 50 moving average, then I can take those stop losses. The reason why I do like this, I know someone would say, why you didn't move the stop loss into profit and all that. I would say, the right way to do that is when you have executed a re-entry, because you cannot be, for instance, it is always guaranteed that the market will do these things. So your fear of losing is stopping you from growing, because the only difference, or the only thing that you and me need in this stage is to have a trading strategy, is to have a stop loss, is to know what if the market comes back into my direction, what I'm going to exit, what I'm going to do next. That's where re-entries comes in. So ladies and gentlemen, I am not in this trade, and I did not trade this trade. It is just that it is in line exactly to how our trading indicator is meant to help you and make easy, a very easy decision. Because look here, you took a trade here after this execution, after these arrows are lining up all together, and again the market is now trapped in this section. That was your no trade zone, because you see it's back. That means still you are drinking your coffee, you are doing nothing. As soon as if it closes below this, if it aligns with the structure and closes below, remember you do not trade till the market close that current running candle. You execute your trade according to this trading strategy that I'm explaining, and these trading materials that we are building here at Masturd FX. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video.